You don't have to be a survival expert to be prepared, just willing to learn. Emergencies can strike without warning, but the right knowledge can turn panic into action. When families practice these essential skills together, preparedness becomes empowering and even enjoyable. Start with one, then build a toolkit that could one day save lives. Here are 10 must-learn survival skills every family should know to stay safe and self-reliant. 1. Basic first aid and CPR. Injuries can happen anytime, and help might be far away. Knowing how to stop bleeding, handle burns, splint a fracture, or perform CPR can make a life or death difference. Take a certified course, regularly review wound care steps, and keep a stock first aid kit at home and in your car. Also teach kids how to respond calmly during minor household accidents. 2. Fire making and safe fire management. Fire provides warmth, cooks food, and can signal for help. Learn to safely start fires using matches, lighters, or ferro rods. For added skill, try bow drills. Teach children basic fire safety, and always practice in a controlled setting. Understand firewood types, wind conditions, and how to extinguish fires properly. 3. Clean water sourcing and purification. Without clean water, survival is limited to just days. Understand how to locate water sources and purify them by boiling, using bleach, filters, or UV light. Keep emergency water stored and test your purification methods during family drills. Also label containers clearly and rotate stored water to avoid contamination. 4. Basic home and vehicle repairs. A leaky pipe or a dead car battery can quickly escalate in a crisis. Learn simple home fixes, like shutting off utilities, and car maintenance tasks such as changing tires or jump-starting batteries. Include older kids in DIY repair tasks to make it hands-on learning. Create a small toolkit and label each item for easy access. 5. Navigation without GPS. If your phone dies or satellites fail, you'll need traditional navigation skills. Learn to read a map, use a compass, and track the sun or stars. Practice in local parks, and teach kids how to identify landmarks and cardinal directions. Also memorize key roads, exits, and routes near your home base. 6. Food foraging and wild edibles. If food supplies run low, local plants and resources can help. Learn which wild berries, herbs, or mushrooms are safe. Use apps like PlantNet to assist with plant ID. Always double-check before eating, and practice foraging where legal. Teach the family to distinguish toxic lookalikes from edible varieties carefully. 7. Self-defense and situational awareness. Emergencies can lead to unpredictable encounters. Learn basic self-defense, de-escalation, and escape strategies. Teach kids about stranger awareness, safe zones, and how to stay calm if separated. Confidence and awareness can often prevent a threat before it happens. Keep routines flexible so instincts can adapt under real pressure fast. 8. Emergency communication strategies. Phones and the internet aren't guaranteed in a disaster. Teach the family Morse code like SOS, whistle signals, and mirror flashes. Invest in walkie-talkies or ham radios, and create a communication plan that includes meeting points and backup contact methods. Label radio channels and pre-assign roles for emergency communication clarity. 9. Sewing and basic clothing repairs. Damaged clothing or gear in extreme conditions can lead to exposure. Learn to sew buttons, patch holes, and repair backpacks or jackets. It's a small skill with big survival value, especially during long-term disruptions. Stock extra thread, needles, zippers, and scissors in a compact sewing pouch. 10. Mental resilience and stress management. Fear and panic make emergencies worse. Build mental toughness through breathing exercises, visualization, and scenario training. Even basic mindfulness helps children and adults stay focused, calm, and in control when things go wrong. Develop rituals that encourage emotional regulation, even in high-stress environments. Conclusion: preparedness doesn't mean living in fear. It means building confidence as a family. These 10 survival skills form a foundation that can help you stay safe, independent, and resilient during any crisis. If you found this guide useful, like the video, comment below with the skill you'll practice first, and subscribe for more life-saving content. Stay prepared. Stay strong.